Hey everybody, how you doing today? So I'm going to show you something, a little bit of specification on the Win 3 here from GPD. And as you can see, it can stand like this, but it's not perfectly fit. So just a little bit push on the back, it's going to fall. So it's not like very stable stand, but you can still have it like this. Just be careful, nothing, maybe a strong wind could actually drop it. So that's why you should be careful, because if it drops, actually it's not going to drop on the back. Most likely it is going to drop on the front on the screen, so you have to be careful. And by the way, if you're going to put it like this, you are most likely going to block the airways that take out the heat and pull it out on the top. So it's very important to understand if you can just disable the fans or what's the situation here. So you need to know. But now I'm gonna show you how the screen is going to perform when actually at lower brightness, like at night. If you are at bed, you want to play games at bed, and you turn off all lights, and you are only having this machine in your hand, and you want to play with it. So let's take a look and what can we do with this. So here, as you can see, I'm using the analog to control the mouse, and you want to hit the battery. You click on L1, and you're gonna see I have 1 hour and 45 minutes for 25%, which is really okay. Have the Wi-Fi on and everything. So what I'm about to do here, I'm going to go to the this area over here, and I'm going to lower the brightness to the lowest point. So you can click on R1 like the mouse, and you can control the mouse here with the analog. So I turned it to the maximum lower resolution right here, and I'm going to actually use, let me just give you where is the night mode. I'm gonna use the night light. When you click on the light, you will have this type of screen in your face. And let me just see, maybe we can just go there, click on it. Let's go to setting and see if we can even dim even further. Change the brightness. I turn night off. No, turn it on. But can we change the? Oh yeah. So this is the lowest point, as you can see. And the best way is just to go there, as I described to you. Go to this area, click on night light, and you're probably getting it this point. Now I'm gonna turn off all lights and see how it actually is gonna look like. Let me just put it right here. All right, everybody. Now from where I am right now, maybe in the camera it doesn't seem like it is actually dim enough to play some games. So I'm gonna go here, give it a try. We're gonna double click on the outer world, and we're gonna see it's totally dimmed in black. That's really nice, guys. I mean, it's very playable. If you are actually on bed, you're about to sleep, you want to play some games, you can have the Win 3 in your hand. It's actually, people say it's heavy. It's gonna be heavy if you're actually thinking that it's hard to hold, but once you actually get used to it, it's gonna build some muscles around your wrist, and it's gonna give you some nice improvements in so let's go to continue. So yeah, it's very playable. This is a purely PC game. It's very strong, heavy, but here, as you can see, I can use the it's very playable at 60 FPS, which is cool if you are actually on bed. You want to hear. Let me just increase the sound so you can listen to these great speakers. So let me just try to give it a run. That's really great, by the way. By the way, I'm shooting through the Motorola Moto Edge Plus, camera, 108 megapixels. So this is a video at totally at dark. So should be give you like.
All I'm saying is it ain't worth it. It's gonna taste like sulfur all the same.
So if you ask me, guys,
No?
this is the pure
You gotta
60.
boil it or you'll get sick. Then all that sweetness
Oops,
takes the
I
air
turned off
anyhow.
the.
Don't boil it. You're gonna get sick all the same. Might as well enjoy it. Don't boil it. Want the run?
Alright, so if you want to actually use the keyboard at night, let's just say you want to type in, maybe you're in Discord or you want to do something. While you're playing the game, you can just pull up the screen and this is, you get greeted with this nice keyboard. Very, very viewable at night. So you can type whatever. Use enter, use escape. If you click escape, you get the menu straight away from here. You go back, play the game back. So it's very, very practical. It's like having a small laptop slash gaming console slash multitasking machine, you know. I'm very, very impressed. By the way, it's not hot at all. The heat goes up, and as you can see, it goes up from here. So yeah, it's great. Let's just see how much we can have in the battery right now. So nice hair though. Let me just go back. Oops. Okay, we're gonna go start, select. You can slide in from the right to the left. Straight away you can access this area over here. So you need, just like Android, you can just slide into the back. So you cannot go back if you just slide it from the right to the left. You can access this dashboard right here. You can just do it, everything, increase the resolution, use tablet mode, all setting. So you can just access a lot of things from here, simply sliding. And you can also do the project if you wanna, broadcast on the, wanna broadcast to the other TV or such a thing. You slide to the right, from left to the right, just like Android. You're gonna have this situation here where you can just go back to the main dashboard and switch things up. So for example, if I wanna go back here, I'm gonna go check this window. I can just turn it off and I can see the, and go through the Epic game like dashboard. I can turn it off just to play the game. So yeah, there are many things that you can do here. It's really beautiful, by the way. If you just try to slide like Android from down to left and down to up, doesn't work. From up to down, still doesn't work. So it depends on if you can configure things up. Remember, this is Windows, it's not Android, so it's different. It's completely different. So in that case, guys, I'll just show you how you can play at night. It's very, very playable. There is no strains on the eyes. It's a very, very efficient way to play the game if you minimize all the way the brightness. Also, you can save battery life. You can extend battery life to really great numbers. So that's it. Let me just go back. Go to escape. And let's quit. If we quit here, let's go quickly and see how much we have in the battery. And if we go to the battery, we have 15 minutes left. Or, sorry, yeah. We have 18% and we'll be able to play for 15 minutes on 80%, which is okay. It's actually good if you can hit 15 minutes. Probably if you just play with the setting, more battery saving setting, you're probably gonna hit it low, but because still I'm not using the lowest watts here. I didn't configure the BIOS still. So if you just play with the BIOS, if I play with the BIOS actually, I can maybe hit it, make it limited to 15 watts. So probably now it's not limited to 15 watts. So I need to go back to the BIOS and adjust many things. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is a quick look on the night, day, or darkness play, whatever you call it. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. See you in another video.